Right guys, welcome to another vlog. Hey, it's AKAJK and today I have another season 2 vlog on the channel, so I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. So in this video I haven't quite decided what it's really going to be about, but this is the first day of Ramadan, which is a holy Islamic month. And if you're not really sure what the significance of that is, then I'll fill you in right now. My mom screwed me over, took the good carpet and gave me this one. My room looks like vomit with this carpet. I just feel like it does. I don't like it. And then all those books for end of year exams. So I'm going to run down what Ramadan is pretty quickly for you right now. So Ramadan is essentially a month in the Islamic calendar. Islamic calendar is not based on similar. It's not really similar to the Christian calendar. It changes every year based on the moon. You can read more about that online. I'll leave a couple of blog posts linked in the description down below. Okay, so that's what Ramadan's calendar is based on. So every year the date of Ramadan changes, which is why it takes really long for them to tell the public when the date is. So this year it is during May. I'm pretty sure it started May 18th. So that's just kind of calendars for this year. So Ramadan lasts for a month, and you have to refrain from eating, drinking, smoking, all that kind of stuff.
Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
About to do any of that from Fajr, which is sunrise, until Maghrib, which is sunset. Obviously, this also changes according to sun, moon, whatever, blah blah blah, every single day. Occasionally, there's going to be a few days where it's just going to be 7:04 p.m., 7:04 p.m., 7:04 p.m. Then it's going to change, and also so essentially with these timings you'll be able to figure out when you have to stop eating and when you can start eating and drinking and doing all that jazz. So it tended to be around 4 and 7 for this Ramadan. So 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. is tended to be the dates for most of the Ramadan days this month. Also, there's another little rule where you have to stop eating roughly 10 minutes before Fajr. It's kind of just a little additional kind of thing. So let's say it was 4, you'd stop eating at 3:50. And then also, what happens is when the Maghrib prayers go, it happened, you can eat, and they call that iftar. We're just going to have a meal, kind of like dinner, that kind of thing. And then from that time, which is roughly 7 this year, until roughly 4, you'll be able to eat and drink and do all that kind of jazz. Smoking, I'm pretty sure, is not allowed throughout the entire Ramadan. And then lots of people tend to eat around 2 or 3 a.m. as something before they go to sleep, so they're not going to be hungry for the next remainder of the day, and they call that suhoor. So yeah, some people go to sleep during that time period, then they wake up. So when I have school, that's what I do. If it's a weekend, then I stay up, but honestly that's kind of personal preference. And yeah, I think I've covered most of the things that you need to know, and if you'd like to know more, you can let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I might link to a blog post and maybe make a podcast on this. You can also check out all my podcasts and stuff like that. Description down below and remainder of my social medias. And yeah, let's carry on with the day. Right, so that's what Ramadan is. Ramadan. Well, it's 4:30. Iftar is at 7. So obviously now you should know what iftar is. Futur, kind of same thing. So that's at 7. So obviously we're getting hungry. We haven't eaten since 4. So I'm going out with my dad and going food hunting, because now all the shops, they sell these kind of little. So now all the stores start selling these kind of little things like pakoras, samosas, stuff like that for Ramadan. This stupid monitor keeps opening. So obviously we get hungry, and when you get hungry you just start looking for food, which is essentially what we're going to be doing right now. So I'm going out with my dad and yeah. Let's go. fruit and veg market, so you can look at that in a second. It's pretty legit. And now we're going to go and look for some more things to do, just to kind of kill time. I mean, okay. I'm guessing it's like 4:45, because when I told you it was 4:30, it was like 4:10. That was a mistake. So yeah, you can see that now. So this is the first Ramadan. My sister's pretty hyped because we're just now allowed to eat. So yeah, pretty legit. I'll see you afterwards. Right, so I finished Fatoor, pretty good. So yeah, I'm now actually like energized, and I'm not just thinking about food, which is better because now I can do things like edit, which I do need to do, and other things throughout the day, because you know when you're focused on one thing, you can't really do anything else properly. That's how I was feeling. So I have a question for you, and I was wondering what are your thoughts on season 2 of the vlog, and what you think I should incorporate into future episodes of season 2 of the vlog, and also just kind of what your opinions are on the season 2 of the vlog. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it bad? Is it the same as season 1 of the vlog? Am I just not really changing it up? Is it not creative? Is it not fun? Is it good? Is it bad? I want you to let me know in the comment section down below. I would greatly appreciate it. I also had this meme thing that I used to do where I would have like a meme on every episode. I stopped that, and I don't know if I'm going to carry on. I'm not going to do this episode. But if you do want to see that carried on, you know, like I give a funny meme at the end of each episode, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, now I've got to pray. Right, so I'm going to be heading off to the store. I'm going to give the workers there some food. You know, it's a Ramadan kind of thing to do. So also I hope this video kind of educated you on what Ramadan is. If like everyone around you is just talking about it and you have no idea what it is, I hope this informed you. And yeah, let's go and give those people some food. Excuse me. We brought this for workers' food. It's food. So this is for you.
Okay. All right, no?
Yeah, you can share it.
Okay.
Okay. It's rice and
Okay, thank you.
welcome. Nice done. Well, that was my mom calling, even though I'm right there. Okay. Now, yeah, that was a pretty legit journey. Gave them the food. I think they were happy. The guy's reaction was kind of astonished. Got some pretty cool shots along the way. And yeah, I didn't realize night photography could be so nice. So, let's go in. So I'm going to cover all the announcements from WWDC 2018 June in under 7 minutes. So without further ado guys, stay tuned for the rest of this video and let's throw 7 minutes on the clock and get started.